Today, the word digitization is fast racing through the hallways of every organization globally. Jobs of yesterday will transform radically to newer ones. There is an urgent need to actually unlearn what you have learned and instead learn an ability to keep learning new skills. Analytics knowledge is not a formula to be taught. It is indeed an immersion of experiences blended into decisioning continuously. A good business analyst combines the hygiene and the science with the art of judgment, enabled by powerful technology to answer not just the what, but the why as well. The question stays though, how do I become a good business analyst? Can I be instructed to proceed? Well, let me ask you, would you instruct a baby to learn walking? Or does a baby learn by trying and falling? Analyttica, after almost 15 years of research and experimentation, has created simulation-based experiential analytics capabilities based on a learn, apply, and a solve framework called Analyttica Treasure Hunt. We are bringing it to you live through our partnership with NASSCOM FutureSkills. The learning is aided by motivational aspects through hundreds of hackathons, projects, modeling scenarios, e-learning methods, certifications, assessments, quizzes, open book simulations, cases, collaborations with global experts and colleagues, and above all, learn by doing methods via live simulations on real data. I would say that it has been an incredible global journey, and we are really honored to bring all of those experiences at your fingertips through our partnership with FutureSkills Prime to the Indian market.